Welcome to the ultimate guide for anglers. Today, we're diving into the top telescopic fishing rods of 2024. Get ready to reel in the big ones with the Gtofyu Carbon Fishing Rod, the old friend Portable Rock Fishing Rod, the Yernea Short Sea Fishing Rod, the Jimitu Carbon Fiber Fishing Rod, and the Ghotda new Telescopic Fishing Rod. Let's cast off into the world of fishing excellence. Let's get started. Number 5. The Yernea Short Sea Fishing Rod's Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rod offers anglers a high-quality and durable option for their fishing adventures. Crafted from 99% carbon fiber, this rod is lightweight yet incredibly strong, ensuring excellent performance on the water. One notable feature is its uniform texture and excellent water repellency, making it suitable for various fishing conditions. With weights ranging from 120 to 300 grams, anglers can choose the model that best suits their fishing style and target species. The rod's craftsmanship is exceptional, providing resilience and strength when battling big fish. Its even thickness helps prevent fractures during intense fights, giving anglers confidence in their equipment. The multi-guide ring is smooth and durable, ensuring no harm to the fishing line during casts and retrieves. Additionally, the ergonomic design of the rod's handle prevents fatigue during long fishing sessions. The fishing reel seat is highly integrated and compatible with various fishing reels, adding to the rod's versatility. Thanks to its advanced X-type torsional fiber layout and high-density carbon fiber construction, this rod offers increased strength and durability. Overall, the Yernea Short Sea Fishing Rod is an excellent choice for anglers seeking reliability, performance, and durability in their fishing gear. Whether you're a beginner or experienced angler, this telescopic rod is sure to enhance your fishing experience. Number 4. The Tofia Carbon Fishing Rod is a robust and durable fishing tool crafted from high-quality carbon fiber. Engineered to handle long-distance casting and targeting large fish, this rod boasts exceptional strength and resilience, making it ideal for serious anglers. Its carbon fiber construction ensures superior elasticity and heavy capacity, allowing anglers to tackle even the most challenging catches with confidence. Whether you're aiming for big game fish or casting for long distances, this rod provides the necessary power and performance. One standout feature is its adjustable length, ranging from 2.1 to 4.5 meters. This flexibility makes it suitable for various fishing scenarios where full-size gear may be inconvenient or unnecessary. Additionally, its portable closed-length design ensures convenient transportation and storage, perfect for anglers on the move. The rod comes with a comfortable pad for extended fishing sessions, reducing fatigue and discomfort. Its ergonomic design enhances handling and control, providing anglers with a comfortable and secure grip. Overall, the Tofia Carbon Fishing Rod is an excellent choice for fishing enthusiasts seeking a reliable and versatile tool for their angling adventures. Whether you're fishing from shore or boat, this rod delivers exceptional performance and durability, making it a valuable addition to any angler's gear collection. It also makes for an ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts or collectors looking for quality equipment. Number 3. The Old Friend Portable Rock Fishing Rod is a versatile and durable telescopic rod designed for various fishing environments, including reservoir ponds, ocean boat fishing, beach fishing, and rock fishing. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber with a 99% carbon content, this rod offers superb strength and resilience, making it suitable for tackling large fish and handling rough conditions. Available in lengths of 5.4 m, 6.3 m, and 7.2 m, this rod provides anglers with options to adapt to different fishing situations and casting distances. The super hard construction ensures optimal performance and durability, while the matte black finish adds a sleek and stylish touch. Equipped with stainless steel ceramic guide rings, this rod ensures smooth line movement and reduces friction during casting and retrieval, enhancing overall fishing experience. The comfortable handle design provides a firm and comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long fishing sessions. The rod features a rotary design reel seat for secure and stable attachment of your fishing reel, ensuring precise control and stability while fishing. Additionally, the 40T carbon fiber cloth and the coating of the lacquer that bakes provide extra durability and protection against wear and tear. Overall, the Old Friend Portable Rock Fishing Rod is a reliable and versatile choice for anglers seeking a high-performance telescopic rod for various fishing scenarios. Its quality construction, comfortable design, and durable materials make it a valuable asset for any fishing enthusiast. Number 2. The Jimitu Carbon Fiber Fishing Rod offers exceptional portability and performance, making it an ideal choice for anglers of all levels. Constructed from high-density carbon fiber and featuring 5 layers of carbon cloth, this rod ensures durability and reliability even in demanding fishing conditions. With a compact shrink size ranging from 42 centimeters to 55 centimeters, it's incredibly convenient to carry, making it suitable for fishing trips of any length. Equipped with high-quality ceramic guide rings, this rod minimizes friction and efficiently dissipates heat, preserving the integrity of your fishing line during extended use. The ergonomically designed high-density cork handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, ensuring precise control and reduced fatigue during long fishing sessions. The telescopic design of the rod allows for easy assembly and folding, enabling anglers to enjoy the pleasures of professional sea fishing while maintaining portability. Whether you're targeting trout, perch, or larger fish in various environments, this versatile rod delivers exceptional performance. Moreover, this rod makes a fantastic gift for fishing enthusiasts, including fathers, boyfriends, fiancés, and husbands. Backed by guaranteed quality, the Jimitu Carbon Fiber Fishing Rod ensures satisfaction with responsive customer support available to address any queries or concerns promptly. Number 1. The Ghotda Telescopic Fishing Rod offers exceptional performance and versatility for anglers of all skill levels. Crafted from a blend of FRP and carbon fiber materials, this rod strikes the perfect balance between durability and sensitivity, ensuring a rewarding fishing experience. Featuring a telescopic design, this rod extends from 2.1 meters to 3.6 meters, offering flexibility and convenience for various fishing scenarios. The tonality of the rod is hard, providing the necessary strength and backbone to handle a wide range of fish species. One of the standout features of this rod is its big rings design, constructed from ceramics and wrapped with stainless steel. This one-piece welding ensures the rings are strong and smooth, facilitating smooth line movement and casting efficiency. The durable reel seat is another highlight, providing a secure and stable platform to attach your fishing reel. Its firm grip prevents the reel from slipping or falling during intense fishing sessions. Additionally, the rod boasts exquisite paintwork and a comfortable foam handle. The sweat-absorbent and radial design of the handle enhance comfort during long fishing sessions, ensuring you can fish for extended periods without experiencing fatigue. Overall, the Ghotda Telescopic Fishing Rod is a reliable and high-performance option for anglers seeking a quality rod for their fishing adventures.